And here we're pulling up at the little bit of the fish market. So, Joe!
There you are.
Hey, Johnny. Joan. Fresh. Fresh shrimp from yes. Good shrimp?
Good, good. Only for you, fresh fish.
Only fresh fish.
Only fresh fish. For you, yeah.
Well, Joan?
This is one of the ricotta cheese.
Yes.
They make it from scratch here. They
Yes.
own the goats.
They
and
own
make
the sheep.
Yeah, they own the sheep, and they make the ricotta cheese
Right here.
right here.
Fresh. And they have other really
Yeah,
nice
they have
meats.
olives and meats
on
and
all
cheeses
very,
and
very
just
nice stuff.
different things.
All right. Carry on, Cleo. They always have a little tasting table here too. Look at that. Right, Johnny?
Fantastic.
Yeah. There's no pesticides, nothing to preserve. It's just all,
Yeah, they're just hanging,
Yeah.
and it's all natural.
yeah, all
It
natural.
comes from the air.
Yeah.
Let's see the pictures here of the sheep
Oh yeah.
on the wall.
We love this shop, yes?
In the back, you can see,
Yeah.
see all the containers in the back?
Oh yeah.
Way in the back.
Yes.
They're making fresh containers.
Mezzogli della più piccola.
Yeah,
And I'm just
everything.
going to try one of these.
14 e 25.
Ah. Perfect.
Ricotta, olive.
No ricotta today. The olives, maybe.
Buongiorno.
Yeah, that size was good. Yes.
Di questa?
Yes. Please. We should pick up a little cheese, Joe. No?
Yeah, I think so.
I think we should pick up one of these. Should we pick up one of these?
Yes, that would be good.
Okay. One cheese, please. One. We're going to make our own pepe, and Orazio and me are going to make our own anchovies. Look at here. That's how we're going to make it. But we're going to make our own anchovies in a ceramic dish. So, but they have it all here.
Yeah, yeah,
Pretty
everything.
amazing, eh?
Golden ok.
Golden tea is €12.
12 euro? Ah, okay. This little town is just below where we live up on Mount Etna. And they always have a church. And this is the store that we love. And Joan has just been shopping in there. And it's a really foggy day today, but these trees are everywhere. They're just fantastic. And we love the old and the new architecture together.
Just around the corner here was our favorite shop until they just closed down.
Yeah.
And
How do you pronounce
they're
it again?
gone.
Cafe
Idria.
Idria.
Very old shop.
Oh,
Was a wonderful shop.
the pastries and the
closed.
coffee was amazing.
Yeah, they closed down one day, and nobody knows what happened.
Yeah.
But they were open for generations.
Yeah. And here we go, back up the mountain. Nice
Yeah.
little spot up on top. The terraces are amazing here. And then, Joan, we're coming to the right here. On the right, we're coming up to the dentist's house. He's a retired dentist, and we've done shots there before. And but he's got cactuses. He's got wonderful oranges. He's got olive trees. He's retired, and he's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful spot. It's driving in our car, and which we love to do, right? Driving in the car.
Beautiful. Oh, these beautiful drives every time. 20 minutes up the mountain, 20 minutes down the mountain. But it's
And the amount of lemon trees and orange trees and cactus. line everything, right?
Yeah, that's very interesting. I love it in the mist like this, like today.
Yeah. This is to the right we go to Presa. To the left we go to Montegarno. And we're right in the middle of the Mount Etna mist. And here we are, heading up to Piopi, our home. On the left here, Martin and Christina are redoing this old building into a hotel. I think there's going to be like 3-4 suites or something like that.
3 apartments.
3 apartments for that they want to rent out. And they have they have this old vineyard here with many, with a really old grape. And our vineyard is right next to it. And to our right here, that is Martin and Christina's house. They have a beautiful big home. And just coming up, crossing the big creek, our vineyard is right down there. And the new home that they built for Giacomo is right there. Misted in like this. We love it. And it's really good on your skin and your breathing when it's this moist. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And here we're going up.
That gate is
Yeah, that's
where Orizia and Loredana live.
And usually we live right here at Piopi, but now we are living at Batula. We're going right bang straight up. It's a very narrow little drive here, but it works.
This is our driveway.
Yeah.
Oh, straight up.
Straight up.
There we're home.
And here we are.
Home sweet home.
Look at that beautiful spot. Nice, eh?
Yep.
Ciao.